Hi and welcome back. This is IKEA new sofa called Ekholma. You are looking at the three-seater sofa Hakebo beige color version. Overall size with 207 centimeters, depth 85 centimeters, height 90 centimeters. The seat depth is 55 centimeters, armrest height 70 centimeters, seat height 49 centimeters. Let's take a closer look. Okay, the cover is smooth and nice to touch. The cushion is big and thick. The seat is also thick. Looks comfortable. By the way, you can remove the seat cushion. You can also wash the cover. Just find the zipper and open it. To remove the other cover, head to the bottom and pull out the cover. Just like this. Speaking of armrest, it is not flat or wide, but it is still good enough. Sofa frame using solid wood, particle board, plywood, and fiberboard. Everything looks solid and strong. This is how it looks from behind. It is simple and clean. Legs using solid wood, thick and looks strong. Okay, let's try this. First time I saw this sofa, it reminds me with IKEA Groundlit and IKEA Ektorp. It also feels similar too. It is good, nice and comfortable. I like the seat cushion. It is thick and have a bouncy feeling. The armrest is standard, not wide enough for me, and it is decent. 3 persons around my size can sit in here. But if you sit in the middle, it is not really comfortable. For your information, my height is 165 centimeters. I can lean in here too. The space is big enough for me, but the frame is too hard. To make yourself comfortable, just use additional cushion. Overall pretty good. I like it. One thing I noticed immediately after sitting in here is the sofa is high, really high. Before we jump into conclusion, I want to show you the two-seater version. Basically almost identical. It is just shorter and the back cushion is bigger. Overall size with 167 centimeters, depth 85 centimeters, height 94 centimeters. This is Kilanda red brown color. Well, this is also good and comfortable. Everything is great. It's just smaller than the 3-seater version. If you want a small and compact sofa, you can choose this one. Color options: comfortable. You can remove and wash the cover. Durability is unknown. The design and aesthetic look standard. So with price tag $479 and $445, should you buy this? Well, if you want a cozy sofa with high seat position, this is a good choice. It has everything: a thick and big cushion, a bouncy and comfortable seat, plus you don't have to worry about being dirty because you can wash it. However, it's still new. We don't know anything yet about its durability. Plus, the seat is higher than others. You should ask yourself, do you like it or do you prefer low sofa? The only drawback I can find is the look and design is too standard, lack of prominent appearance. If I pull out this name tag, Everyone will think this is IKEA Groundlit or IKEA Ektorp. Anyway, it's all about preference. I guess if it works, don't change it. Boring design is safe. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more about IKEA family and IKEA actor, I will leave the link in here. See you later in the next video and bye bye.